Assalamu Alaikum wa Rahmatullah. Dear brothers and sisters, how are you all? I hope, by the mercy of Allah, you are doing well. Today we will learn how Satan, deceives people. First, he gives false hopes. Shaytan says, do it later, there's still time. Allah says, he makes promises to them and gives them false hopes. Surah An-Nisa, 120. Second, he makes evil deeds seem good. Shaytan says, this is not a big deal. Allah says, Satan made their evil deeds appealing to them. Surah Al-Ankabut, 38. Third, he scares people with poverty. Shaytan says, you can't survive without haram income. Allah says, Satan threatens you with poverty and commands immorality. Surah Al-Baqarah, 268. Fourth, he intoxicates and distracts. Allah says, Satan wants to cause hatred between you through wine and gambling, and prevent you from remembering Allah and from prayer. Surah Al-Ma'idah, 91. Fifth, he leads people to greed. I want more, I need more. Allah says, if you do not give up interest, then be warned of war from Allah and His Messenger. Surah Al-Baqarah, 278. Dear brothers and sisters, Shaytan is our clear enemy. Let us be cautious, seek help from Allah, and build our lives according to the Quran and Hadith. May Allah protect us from Shaytan's deception. Ameen. If you liked the video, please give it a like, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu Alaikum wa Rahmatullah.